This is Mamta. I'm pursuing my engineering from East West Institute of Technology. Along with my college, I'm doing something very special which is helping me to earn extra income in my college life. There are many students who is looking forward to earn extra income in their college life, but that is actually not possible, right? So whatever I'm going to discuss right now, it is only for the 5% population of the world. It is not for 95% of the world, because when you see the population, there are only 5% of the people all across the world who are successful, and 95% of the people are unsuccessful in their life. Okay, see, college will teach you one thing called as formal education. It will not teach you something called as financial education. I am here to just give you an idea about how the money is actually distributed in the world, or how the cash is actually flowing throughout the world. Okay, so the title of that goes something like this, called as cash flow quadrant. And for your kind information, if I ask you how many ways are there to earn money, you will be coming with the answers like there are many ways. But in actual fact, there are only 4 ways to earn money in this entire world, right? And this is not said by me. This is said by one of the richest person. That is, he's an investor. His name is Robert T. Kiyosaki. He says that there are only 4 ways how the cash is actually distributed in the world, right? And the 4 ways are divided into 4 quadrants as E, S, B, and I, where E stands for employee, S stands for self-employed, or like small business, right? And capital B stands for business, and I stands for investor. Okay, so all of you know that employee is a person who completes their any kind of degree and works under someone. Those people are called as employees. And self-employees are those people like doctors and lawyers who work for themselves, right? Those people are called as self-employees. And small business, right? Everybody have heard about the mobile shop, textile shop, and grocery, bakery. All these small shops come into this category called as small business. And then talking about this business, everybody knows many businessmen all across the world. For example, if I talk about Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, if I talk about Ambani, all these people come into a category called as business category, right? And this is something called as investor. See, I'll give you best example for investor. If you invest 20 lakhs on a building, after 4 years the cost will be double or same. Actually, its price will be increased because of India's economic growth, right? So that is the power of an investor. So what that great person says is these two categories are separate and these two are separate. He says that 95% of the world population come into this category, and only 5% of the world population come into this category. I know you people will not believe, but actually this is the fact. You can't see employees having Mercedes Benz. You can only see businessmen having that, right? So there are only 5% of the people who think that yes, I have to do a business or else I have to become an investor. Whereas 95% of the people think that yes, I have to do job, complete my study, do job. You ask any of your friend who is sitting next to you, everybody will be coming with the same idea that yes, I have to do job or else I have to continue with my dad's business. Those people come into 95% category, but I'm talking about only 5% category. And the fact is, what you know, in this category you just get 5% of the wealth. How much? Just 5% of the wealth. And here you get something called as 95% of the wealth. Now I'll ask you a simple question: what is the meaning of wealth? You'll be coming as money. No, wealth is something which include both time and money. See, in life the combination of both time and money is very important. If you have time but if you don't have money, what is the use? There is no use. Same way, if you have money but if you don't have time, it's of no use. So balanced life of time and money both is very important, and that is something called as wealth, right? And this category you get how much? Only 5% of the wealth, and here you get 95% of the wealth. I'll give you one more example. Okay, there is a boss of your company. Who will earn more income, you or your boss? Obviously, when you're an employee, you will be coming here. Your boss is into a business category, he'll be coming into 5%. So he'll be earning 95% of the wealth, and you'll be getting 5% share of his total income, right? And here you get something called as active income. What is active income? Active income is something where you work or you don't work. Where you work, then only you get paid. For example, I'll tell you, being an employee, you did not go to office for 1 week just because of your health issues. Will you get income? No. Your income stops the day you stops working, right? That is called as active income. Same way, a doctor, if he did not open his clinic, do you think he'll get money? No, he can't get. If your father is not opening the textile shop or else mobile shop, will he get money? No, he don't get, right? So that is called as active income. When your presence is there, you work, then you get paid. If you don't work, you don't get paid. That is active income. But here you get something called as passive income. Passive income is something where you work or you don't work, but still you get paid. For example, you tell me, is Ambani working today? No, he's not working also, but still he's getting paid, right? That is called as passive income. And here people is working for money. If I ask any of the employee why you want job, he'll tell that I want to lead my family. so I need money. That is the reason I'm doing job. So people are working for money, but in investor category, money is working for money. How? If you invest some money, after a few years the money get doubled, right? So you did not do any work there, the money has become double because of India's economic growth and financial growth, right? So that is the power of investor. And in this category you get something called as controlled life. What is controlled life? Now you tell me, as an employee, can you tell to your boss, I'll get up at 6 o'clock, I'll get up at 10 o'clock, I'll come to office by 11 o'clock? Can you put your own time restrictions on the boss of the company? No, you can't. You have to be present into the office at the time at which time your boss have called, right? So your life has been controlled. Same way a doctor cannot tell to a patient, bro, I'll do your operation tomorrow, let me go to Switzerland and take a trip and come back. Obviously he can't tell this to a patient, right? So here your life is being controlled by others, you're not controlling your life. But here you get something called as uncontrolled life. It means what? Your life is controlled by you. Nobody is controlling. Is there anybody who's telling for Bill Gates, get up at 6 o'clock, do this, do that? No, nobody is telling them, right? And here you get something called as no security. What is no security? For example, you got placed into one of the best company. Now you tell me, is there a guarantee that your boss will keep you into that company forever? Obviously no. When he finds some person better than you, he will be replacing that person, right? So there is no security in this. And one more security meaning is there. For example, I'm working into one company, and if my death has happened, do you think every month they'll be sharing salary to my parents? Obviously no. When I die, my family complete income will stop, right? So it is actually one of the disadvantage of doing the job, right? And here you get something called as full security. What is the meaning of security? Here, see, the business is started by you, so nobody is there that who can tell you to stop the business, right? And one more thing is, if I die also, if I'm doing some business, if I die also, there are some people who are under me who are working, so irrespective of my work, I'll be getting the income, right? So this is called as security. So this was the thing which I wanted to explain you. Now you decide which is the best category among this. And obviously please make sure that this opportunity is not for everybody. It is only for ambitious people who are crazy in our life and who are like things little different, okay? Who are like, yes, I'm born here to create some history, and who is having some different thinking. I'm talking about only 5% of the people, I'm not talking about 95% people. So any people who is interested that yes, I want to come into the 5% category, you can message directly to me. This is my Instagram ID, okay? So you can text me on this directly. I'll be helping you out how to do a business which is completely based on online. Fine, thank you.